Hi, this is Nick Rudig. Unfortunately, I went to Osborne Pool last night and couldn't find anybody, so I'm sending in this video in lieu of completion of my robotics project. I have the computer set up over here, standard programming. The motors are set to go to high speed if it differs by more than 5 numbers from the desired pressure setting, and go to half speed if it's between 5 and 2, and do nothing if it's less than 2 away. It's hooked up here to the Arduino, which is mounted on a board. I actually had a longer cable going. The splice, however, wasn't working very well. The main problem being that the pressure sensor, when going over the longer cable, which is about 4 meters long, had wildly differing values. They would go up and down by about 10. When I took out the splice, it's accurate to about 1. The ROV itself, if I unplug it, you can see is neutrally buoyant, or was yesterday. Currently it is no longer neutrally buoyant, so it needs a bit more air put in. But if plugged in and given the depth value, air pressure today is about 365. So if we set it to about 370, it'll hover slightly below the surface. If you set it to something more like 395 and re-upload the program, it will sink closer to the bottom. And if you set it to 360, it should come to the surface quite readily after the program uploads, thus demonstrating that it will seek the proper depth and demonstrating that it actually needs to be plugged fully in to get enough power. So there is a demonstration of it seeking different depths and staying at those depths once it finds them. For one final depth, going down to 380, you can see it tries to find the depth and eventually settles near there. You can also see the output on the computer monitor of the serial monitor, which is reading values between 378 and 382. Thank you very much.